Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to do the braided buns Taylor wears on the album cover of Folklore. I have prepped my hair with dry shampoo just to get some texture to work with. Start by sectioning off the hair into two parts. I'm moving my finger back and forth just to get that imperfect line like Taylor has it. When your hair is sectioned, start by doing a regular braid right behind your ear and remember to keep the braid tight. Go back and pull a little on the edges of the braid to make it look messy. And now do the exact same thing on the other side of your head. When both braids are done, you're going to start the buns. Take one braid and start wrapping it in a circle, starting from the middle and going outwards. Tuck the end underneath the bun and pin it to place. To make sure all the hair gets secured, try and take the bobby pin and wave it up and down throughout the bun. Now the first bun is done, it's time to do the other one. Do it in the exact same way by twisting the braid backwards to form the bun. The buns are done, go back and loosen the hair in the scalp a little to get the perfect messy look. Pull out some pieces of hair in the front until you feel like you have the look that you want to. And there you have it, Taylor Swift inspired braided buns from the album cover of Folklore. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more of my hairstyles, go check out my previous videos and don't forget to follow me on Instagram @all2braids.